Dasa Reacts and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a review of the Adore dyes. Yes, so today is wash day for my locks. So I'm going to try the Adore Orange Blaze. I've never done this color before. And I'm going to touch up with the Ruby Red. So this is my usual color. So let's get into a little story time, shall we? So what had happened was, right, I had locks this length all out here. You can't even see it on the screen, right? And because I like dyeing my locks, I decided I'm going to bleach it out even more because I want it brighter, vivid. And unfortunately, like I left the bleaching too long and it destroyed my locks. So I had to cut them off. Like they were long and short and all over the place and it looked really gross. And so I had to cut them to shoulder length, even though they were almost to my belly button. And I'm 5'10", so you know how long that is, right? So RIP to the real ones. So now I have shorter locks. I find it's a little more manageable. I can do a little more styles with it. And because I live in Trinidad, it's much better for the climate because it's very hot these days. So with that said, let's look at what we need to do our DIY dye jobs. Because I don't go to the salon. I do my own hair. So first we need petroleum. Child, it's somewhere around here. You know what petroleum jelly looks like? That is to cover and protect your edges, your hairline, your ears. Gloves. Some hair clips to, hold your locks where you need to. Of course, your choice of dye. I like Adore. So I find it's the most vivid. And it's semi-permanent. And it really does shine in the sun. It says shining semi-permanent. It really does glisten in the sun. A garbage bag to cover your locks. And I use a mixing bowl. Right? So there's a used one here. So there we have it. So let's put on my gloves and let's get started. So, I need an old t-shirt like the one I have here to protect against any stains and drippings and whatnot. So you make sure the area around you can put like old newspaper and stuff. Make sure the area around you is protected. Alright, so first I section off my hair. So I'm gonna dye it back orange and keep the top red. Because I'm kind of scared to use orange. I've never used orange before. So I'm kind of scared to use orange. Oh my gosh. Stuff could happen. Alright. So that's done. Time for the petroleum. Get those edges, get behind the ears. Eventually I have to take out this earpiece because I don't want it to turn colors. So you come in as far down as you need to. You're covering yourself. Cover your arms as well because sometimes it drips on your arms. So let's do the orange blaze. Right. You can either put it in a mixing bowl or you could put it directly to your hair. It's up to you. But let's see what we can do here. So I'm going to pour a little bit. Alright, so let's test and see what it looks like. It's orange. So let's see how it takes to my hair. Ooh. So I just grab and rub it in like so. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. You're doing the next side now. So I have like some hair ornaments, so I think they might change color, but oh well, that's okay. Now a whole bottle could retouch your hair depending on how long your hair is. Or you might even need that much if you're just retouching. And I just dyed my ends, which is a good thing. Thankfully I didn't dye it from the roots. Bleach it from the roots because I'll be bald headed. Okay. Alright, so you're not seeing a big difference right now. Actually, you're not really seeing much of a difference, but we go. Let me add a little more, especially to these little ones. It is hot in this quarantine, honey. I gotta find myself. I think it's nerves. Ow! My little thing jabbed me. My little ornament jabbed me. Alright, here we go. So you will tie this up, separate it, and use one of these. Jesus. And now I'm doing the front, which is mostly red. I may pull a few strands and do orange as well. It's very warm. I apologize. Oops, I think I just rubbed off some of the... Alright, let me shake up this a little. Oh, and the Adore brand is also vegan and cruelty free, so that's a good look. Okay, this is the red. That's what the red looks like. And you're going to do the same thing. Just passing it. You just put the red where you want it to be. What if I mix the two? Like do red and orange. Oh my gosh. And just see what happens, eh? Oh girl, I just accidentally took up the orange. So make sure you separate your colors so you don't pick up the wrong thing. Why not? Let's see what can happen. It's just hair, it'll grow back once it doesn't fall off. It'll be like orange and red highlights. Who knows? Who knows what could happen, girl? That's the fun. That's the fun of dyeing your hair with semi-permanent dye. Like, you can wash it off. And these dyes can stay as long as you need it to. Simply wash your hair with cool water instead of like hot water or warm water. And that's it. And you leave it in the bag. You put it in the bag. You wrap it up, of course. I don't want to make the noise, but you wrap it in the bag and you leave it for 1 hour. And and we'll come back and see how it looks in an hour. Stay tuned.
Later that same evening.
Hey guys, so this is the final look. So as you can see, the orange did not show up. So what would have to happen, I would have to bleach my hair blonde and then add the orange. But I'm not going to do that because that seriously damages your hair unless you have a professional to do it. So I would not advise that you bleach your hair at home. Don't bleach your locks at home. You could touch up with the Adobe dye, but don't bleach it. So how I styled my hair, I styled this all by myself, honey. Yes. So I use my blue Magic Indian Hemp grease, slightly damp locks, twist, palm roll, and for like the really straggly loose hairs, I simply use the Gorilla Snot gel. This one, not the other colors. This is the strongest one for my hair texture. And you know, I put a little on the edges to make sure it's smooth down those baby hairs, and there you have it. So wash day is done. All I did was platine, palm roll, platine, some locks, and just made a bun here, and then I plaited these in front and I just swooped it and stuck it with some safety pins, and that's it. Ooh. And I'm gonna use my Victoria's Secret Amber Romance Shimmer just to give it a little, ooh, a little zhuzh. Since it can be cute during the quarantine, honey. Yes. So, and that's it. So if you have any questions about maintaining your locks and whatnot, or any comments, I'd love to hear them. Comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Thanks for joining me for my first YouTube video, guys. Besos.